presence of life in the component parts is the basis of organ transplantation. So legal certification for the somatic death is important. That criteria for organ transplantation is that a legal certification of death should be established, and they have performed a certain criteria that we must diagnose the somatic death, and the somatic death is basically they gave a guideline when you have to certify death and the body is going for the organ transplantation. They gave a certain criteria that clinical interest should always be superior. ये नहीं कि मैंने अभी इसका organ लेना तो you should certify death. Person is in suspended animation, but you certify death. So the clinical interest should always be superior for the transplantation. Then the certification of death is on clinical examination. And during the transplantation surgery, 2 doctors should certify death, and those doctors should not be the part of transplantation team. They should be independently certified death. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokhar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.